What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. So I've got some kind of disturbing and concerning news about the Mavic 2. So first off, I'm waiting for my Mavic 2 batteries to charge right now. They're sitting on the charger. They should be done shortly, so I'll be able to fly. But I was taking a break and browsing through Facebook, and I found another member, Dustin, who posted up a picture of his Mavic 2 Pro, and the camera has separated from the gimbal. Now, normally when you see pictures of a broken Mavic or drone, you assume it's from a crash. Well, take a look at some of these photos and you'll see that that doesn't seem to be the case. So Facebook group member Dustin posted up that photo that I was telling you about right here, and you can see that the camera has separated from the gimbal. Now it appears that DJI uses some sort of a glue to glue the camera into the gimbal, and the metal part on there that's glued is sort of polished. So it doesn't seem like the camera is going to stick very well to the glue inside of this thing. And this is the first time that I've seen a report of this. Obviously the Mavic 2 Pros are just now shipping, so there's only a few users out there who are actually even receiving them yet. But this is a pretty concerning, issue to see on a brand new drone. And I will say, when I look at the gimbal up close, I realize that I haven't even flown mine yet, and I've got two little spots, and it looks like it's from hitting the back bracket, basically where the gimbal is connected. But you can see here that there's a lot of movement there, and it does appear to be glued in since you can't visibly see any screws. Now, Dustin has stated that he only flew the drone for about a minute or two. He has video evidence of him flying it, landed the drone. He was basically checking to see how well it handled the wind. And when he set the camera or the drone down on the table, he heard a clunk. And upon taking a look, instantly figured out that, uh-oh, this is a problem. Now, when Dustin reached out to DJI about the issue, they offered him a refund or a replacement, but it's going to take 2 to 3 weeks. As you can tell, basically with the photos there, this thing didn't have a crash landing, but he's got video evidence proving that the drone didn't have any crazy impacts or anything like that. So being a Mavic 2 Pro owner, I'm really concerned. I mean, is this going to be an issue that starts popping up with users? Now, we've hopefully all have seen at this point the Mavic 2 crash testing, where they're crashing into the trees and pouring water on it and all sorts of stuff, and we never saw the camera fall off of the gimbal. So hopefully this is just a one-time instance, but now that this has happened one time with one user, I'm worried that more of us are going to start experiencing this problem, especially if you have your drone that's carried around a backpack, or you fly in high winds or something where the drone is shaking a lot. So is this a fatal flaw for the Mavic 2 Pro? I hope not, but as we have more users receive their drones and fly it, we'll find out. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below if you have any questions, and hopefully we'll get our Mavic 2 up in the air here and our camera won't fall off of the gimbal.